How are you, dear students? In this lecture, I am going to explain about interhalogen compound related to p block elements in class 12. Interhalogen compound, really it is very important topic. Really one of very important topic with in terms of hybridization, geometrical structure and their properties. As you know well, generally halogens are monovalent in nature. But when any more electronegative halogen come contact to less electronegative halogen, then there is the possibility of the formation of interhalogen compound. इस टॉपिक को आपको ध्यान से देखना है. इसमें दो ही पॉइंट पर आपको फोकस करना है. एक इंटरहैलोजन के प्रिपरेशन प्रोसेस, देयर हाइब्रिडाइजेशन एंड ज्योमेट्री. Interhalogen compounds. Dear student, when one halogen used to interact with other halogen element to form the product, then the related product is known as interhalogen compound. Means when different electronegative halogens interacts with each other, then interhalogens are formed. Okay? Then interhalogens are formed. And on account of their variation in unpaired electron, these may be monovalent, divalent, as well as a monovalent, trivalent, pentavalent, and one of the halogen iodine also form heptavalent compound. Means their views XX dash, X dash 3, XX dash 5, XX dash 7. These are known as monovalent interhalogen compound. This is the trivalent and this one is the pentavalent. Okay, and last one is considered to be heptavalent interhalogen compound. These are considered to be the interhalogen compound, monovalent. And one thing which is most necessary here, X dash must be more electronegative. X dash must be more electronegative than X. Ultimately, we can also declare, dear student, we can also declare that the size of X is always greater than X dash. Okay? Now I want to explain individually monovalent, trivalent, pentavalent, heptavalent on account of their preparation process, geometry and hybridization. Okay? See. First category, X dash. monovalent interhalogen compound. Monovalent interhalogen compounds as ClF, BrCl, IBr, IF and so on. Chlorine name, chlorine fluoride. Okay, this one is the bromine chloride. Clear? This is known as iodine bromide. And last one is considered as iodine fluoride. Okay, and their preparation process. Preparation process. About the preparation process, Cl2 plus F2 used to form ClF on heating to them. And here both are present in equimolar amount. Both are Cl2 and F2 have equimolar amount. Okay, and now about their geometry. Since in this case only two atoms are, both are monovalent in nature. Okay, ultimately their geometry. Dear student, their geometry must be linear. Okay, their geometry and monovalent interhalogen compounds have simple geometry, linear. Okay, and then now about trivalent interhalogen compounds. If we discuss about the trivalent interhalogen compounds, their theme X-3 as ClF3, BrCl3. Okay, ClF3, this is the BrCl3, IBr3, IF3 and so on. All these compounds are said to be, all these compounds are considered to be interhalogen compound, trivalent interhalogen compound, because here one thing that is very remarkable, in this Cl is the center atom whose size is higher than the size of Br. In this case Br is the center atom and Cl is more electronegative than center atom. Here Br is more electronegative than center atom, which is iodine. Okay, it means the electronegativity of center atom is lower than side atom. This is chlorine trifluoride. By the same you can give their name: bromine trichloride, iodine tribromide and so on. Okay, now their preparation process. We can take anyone, just like Br2 plus Cl2. Now it is taken in excess. Okay, this one is taken in excess, then the formation of, and on account of heating, BrCl3 twice. Okay, 2 3s are 6 thrice. By the same way you can also form other trivalent halide. Dear student, by the same way you can also form, just like the preparation process, ClF3, IBr3, IF3 and so on. Okay, Now about their hybridization. As for ClF3, you can see on account of its structure, 3 bonds are formed by the Cl, and Cl has 7 electrons in its center at outermost shell, in which 3 electrons, इनमें से बेटा 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन, इसके 3 electrons of Cl are part sharing with fluoride. Fluoride के साथ sharing कर रहा है. 1, 2, 3. It means here bond pair, you can say 1, 2, 3. 3 bond pair. And lone pair only 2. Okay. Therefore total number of electron pair 5 electron pairs. Therefore hybridization sp3d 31415, its hybridization is given as sp31415 sp3d. Now geometry, its geometry, bent T shape, bent T shape. And how will you form bent T shape? Bent geometry under the bent T shape. And what is the bent T shape? See, and both the lone pair. Dear student, this is the simple geometrical simple Lewis structure known as bond structure, but this is the geometrical structure, and these are the lone pair. In case of geometrical structure, lone pair are represented like this. This is the bent T shape. Okay, this is the bent T shape geometry of trivalent interhalogen compound. Okay, and now about pentavalent interhalogen compound. About pentavalent interhalogen compound. Dear student, in case of pentavalent interhalogen compound, its general formula X dash 5 H ClF5 BrCl5 I Br5 and so on IF5. They are named chlorine pentafluoride. बेटा इसका नाम क्लोरीन पेंटाफ्लोराइड. आप सबका नाम लिख सकते हैं आप. ब्रोमीन pentachloride. By the same way, it may be iodine pentabromide, or this is iodine pentafluoride. Okay, now their preparation process. Especially, suppose we are going to form as a BrCl5, Br2 plus Cl2 with the under suitable temperature, and here it is taken in excess. Then the formation of BrCl5 take place. Fine. Okay. This one is the preparation. By the same way, we can also form other pentavalent interhalogen compound. Clear? Now geometry as well as hybridization. ये समझ में आ गया ना सभी के? किसी को कोई confusion है? If there is any confusion to anyone, you can ask. Right? Now about its hybridization as for ClF5. In this case, Cl used to form 5 covalent bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there are 7 electrons in the valence shell of Cl, in which 5 electrons are taking part in overlapping. One lone pair is present here. So in this case, bond pair, beta 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bond pair. And lone pair, 1. Total electron pair, 6 electron pairs. Therefore, Therefore, dear student, its hybridization. Its hybridization must be sp3d3 sp3d2 32516. Okay, and geometry you know 5 sp3dt. So its geometry must be square plane. You can say its geometry. There are 5 covalent bond and 5 bond pair and 1 lone pair. When there is a possibility of 5 bond pair, 1 lone pair, then its geometry must be square pyramidal. Its geometry must be square pyramidal. Square pyramidal. How? You can see 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. This is the 5. These 4 bond, dear students, 1, 2, 3, these 4 bond are equatorial bonds and this one is the axial bond. And how will you form the geometry? See, connect to these with each other. When these are going connect with each other, then this is the square. This one is the square. And when this used to attach with this, then a pyramid is going to form. इन चारों कार्नर को, इन चारों जो फ्लोराइड एटम्स हैं बॉन्डेड, इनको यदि इससे मिला देते हैं तो एक पिरामिड बन जाएगा. That's why it is said to be square pyramidal. By the same way, all the pentavalent interhalogen compounds can form like this, and their geometry is square pyramidal. Base is square, which is formed by the equilateral triangle, and this axial bond, ये इक्वाटोरियल बॉन्ड है. इक्वाटोरियल बॉन्ड 2D होते हैं, ये बेस बनाते हैं, ये बेस स्क्वायर है और ये जो एक्सियल बॉन्ड से जुड़ा है इनको इससे मिला दें तो एक पिरामिड ऊपर बन जाएगा. That's why it is said to be square pyramid, right? And now last one, heptavalent interhalogen compound. Now about heptavalent interhalogen compounds. H, there is only one possibility, X dash 7, and only one example, H IF7, because iodine can form only heptavalent compound with fluorine. Okay, and its name iodine heptafluoride. Okay, and its preparation process. Here iodine is heated with excess amount at higher suitable temperature. Then the formation of IF7 take place, and this is the 7 take place IF7. Here is the possibility of the formation of IF7. That is going to complete now. Okay, and its geometry and hybridization. Last one, dear student, its geometry as well as hybridization. See, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 bond pair, 7. No chance of lone pair. Therefore, its hybridization, you know, sp3d3 33617, and its geometry, dear student, its geometry must be 7. Pentagonal bipyramidal. Its geometry is pentagonal bipyramidal. Okay, its geometry is considered to be as a pentagonal bipyramidal. Okay, and how will you form to this? See, iodine used to form. These are 2 axial bonds. It is coming. and there are 5 equatorial bonds. These are equatorial bond and these 2 bonds are axial bond. Now how the geometry formation take place? See. Okay. This is the base which is the pentagonal. This is the base which is formed by equatorial bonds and considered as a pentavalent. And these 2 axial bonds are responsible to form the pyramid. In सभी को इस जितने यहाँ पे 1 2 3 4 5 पेंटागोनल कॉर्नर को इससे जोड़ देते एक पिरामिड ऊपर और इससे पेंटागोनल कॉर्नर को नीचे जोड़ देते एक पिरामिड नीचे. This is the pentagonal bipyramid. Dear student, in this lecture I have discussed preparation process and complete detail of interhalogen compound. And in my next lecture I will discuss and complete about noble gases. Thank you.